Okay, the idea behind this is to learn about soldering using the BBC Microbit and a breadboard and some custom 3D printed pseudo breadboard. And these have the little corners that snap into a Lego base plate to stabilize it and also to make it something more usable. What I've done is soldered practice soldering on the back of this board, which is something our kids can learn to do. And then they can write a program, very simple program, on the BBC Microbit. I'm using MakeCode, and prove that their soldering has worked. We 3D printed these plates, and I'll put a link to the STL file so that you can download it and print it yourself on your own printer. The STL file link will be in the description of this video. It will link over to my Google Drive account. This is the printer we're using, Tina 2. These print very quickly because they're very thin. They can be enlarged, but this seems like a good beginning point. To write programming to plug in various peripherals. These can all be plugged in to these pinholes, just like a regular breadboard, but these basically are disposable. Once this has all been soldered up, then a student can just set it aside and start on another project with another sensor or another output and use wires to connect into a standard breadboard with the Microbit. So there will be more about all this.